How do I cut, trim, and cut videos in Premiere Pro? Well, here are 6 steps on how to trim and cut in Premiere Pro. Number 1. Trimming clips. Hover over the start or end of the clip until the cursor becomes a bracket icon. You'll see the clip's edges on the timeline. Click and drag the bracket to adjust the clip's duration, like cutting paper to fit a frame. Number 2. Cutting clips. Move the playhead, which is the vertical line on the timeline, to where you want to make a cut. Click anywhere on the timeline to move it. Once it's in the right spot, it's time to cut. Number 3. Use the razor tool. Click on the razor tool icon or press the letter C on the keyboard. It looks like a little blade. Number 4. Make the cut. With the razor tool selected, you will see a vertical line where the playhead is. Click on the clip to cut it on that point. Number 5. Split the clip. After cutting, you'll see the clip split into 2 segments. This is like cutting paper with scissors. Repeat as needed. Keep moving the playhead and using the razor tool to make more cuts. This lets you divide the clip into smaller parts, which you can trim and rearrange to tell your story. Okay. And that's it. That's your 6 steps on how to trim and cut in Premiere Pro. Imagine you have a long interview clip and you want to remove pauses and irrelevant sections to keep the conversation engaging. By trimming and cutting the clip, you can condense it into a concise and compelling segments that holds your viewers' attention.